Hey, make some noise. And today we talking about Chat GPT. Let's get it.
On the phone.
Yo. Make sure you like, subscribe. Hey, and comment down below. Let us know what you got on Chat GPT. So we're gonna pull this up right here. For people who don't know, Chat GPT is an open AI program. Is meant for if you want to like shortcut a lot of stuff. Basically, if you want a 1,000-word article or you need a summary about something, this is what this is supposed to be used for. It's multiple reasons that people use this, really to shortcut a lot of stuff. I know. right. We all know what's going on. We can just shortcut it, and Chat GPT will do it for us. So I got this pulled up right over here, right? This is a open AI platform online. As you see, chatgptonline.ai. Thank y'all for that freebie y'all give us right now. And so they say, hi, how can I help you, right? So in this line right here where it say type your message, right? I'm gonna click on that. Got a little offhand, but we're back here. So we're clicking on this, and we're gonna tell it to type write me a summary. Let's see, a summary. Let's spell summary right. Okay. All right, summary on best boxers in the I put a B instead of H, the world. Okay, and then we're just gonna press enter, and it's gonna send. It says, okay, we have reached our limit. All right. Wow, it says error while calling AI limit reach for default. Wow, we're gonna get that on up out of there, and we're gonna come back. But I think everybody knows what AI is about. Really robots doing the situation for us. I was at the airport at the time where the robotic lifts came on, and they would take the bags and dump them off on TSA tables. Made it easier so they wouldn't have to jump up and get the bag for the conveyor belt. That'll save a lot of backs, I'm telling you. So let me pull up another one of these AIs. It seems like when I searched it there, I reached my limit. So let's pull up this one. We're gonna verify that we're a human. Okay, let's go to next. Talk about all these conversations and stuff like that. Let's see where it goes from here. Let's get this back on the screen for us real quick. Let's get that music pumping and jumping. So okay, we got Chat GPT. We got some down here. Let me scroll and get that down a little bit and do the bottom so you can see where we gotta type at. All right, I'm just gonna type on here 1 second. Let's see, best boxers in the world, and let's see what Chat GPT is gonna come up with. Best boxers in the world. We see that at the top. Let me get this spaced out a little bit. So we're gonna give it a time. As you see, it does take a little time, but probably not as long as a person, right? But Right now, I think people would have been and wrote like 6-7 sentences on the time. Right now, it's still loading. This one was developed using the 3.5 Turbo API. So we're waiting. We're still getting the little dots there. We're waiting. Best boxers in the world. Really, right now, Chat GPT is taking a lot of people's jobs, writers, because all you have to do is, once it's finished, you can just proofread it, read it, change words. You know, that kind of makes it easy, right? I say, give it up on that, man. But right now, it's taking a little while. We still haven't saw no wordery, no wordplay. I guess it's searching through the internet trying to find the best boxers in the world. I guess it's gathering up all the information. I wonder, is it going to say Earl Spence, or is it going to say Terrence Crawford, or is who is it going to say the best boxer in the world? Is it going to go back and say Ali or Frazier or George Foreman, perhaps Mike Tyson is in the discussion, Sugar Ray Leonard, you know, who is the best boxer in the world? And right now we're going to see, can Chat GPT tell us, but while we're waiting on that, we're going to be waiting and looking on that. We're going to do a little bit more studies into what is Chat GPT, okay? And it's taking a long time. Why is it taking this long? Okay, you see our first demonstration, and we've been on this video for about 7 minutes and we still haven't read nothing from Chat GPT. This site is called Free GPT 1. Definitely wouldn't try that. We saw what happened to our first site. Let's get that up off the screen. All right, we saw what happened with our first one, and that one was yet to load. That was another free one. Let's try this one. This one might be a little better. Let's try this one. This one is called Zero GPT. Okay, so let's pull up Zero GPT. Let's see what you have. And we're gonna type in best boxers in the world. Let's see. Best boxers in the world. All right, and we just told it to detect text. Your text is human written. Oh wow. Please input more text for a more accurate result. Highlighted text is suspected to be most likely generated by AI. Okay. Let's put, write me a summary on the best boxers in the world. Let's put that. In the world, 1,000 words. Right now, Chat GPT is not working. Okay, and we gonna give it up. That's what it was. So hey, Chat GPT, hey, if you want to try it out, you can try it out, Chat GPT. But that's been another exclusive. Say, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below. Did Chat GPT do this to you? Because Chat GPT failed us today, guys. Say, comment down below. Let us know if you use Chat GPT. Peace out.